This is a true Modbus communication between PLC, Delta PLC, DVP 14SS2 and Delta VFD. True Modbus communication. I connected instead of motor this three-phase light, and these are the push buttons, and also I am using one sensor, and this is the setup. For Modbus communication I am using this small wire from RS485 to the VFD connection, this much, and this 3 RYB for the three-phase motor. And please see this, I am running this PLC and this VFD through Modbus RTU and 485 connection. See, I am starting this power. After starting power, you can see the VFD is on 9.5 Hertz frequency. Now I will start. This is the start button. When I press start, it will start. See, start running. See this. I will show the frequency. This is the set frequency. Now it is running on 9.5 Hertz. And now I can stop. See, this is stop button. When I press, it will stop. See this. Now this stops. And I can make it running on jog mode also. See this jog button. See this. See, it is on jog mode. And also I can increase and decrease the frequency also. See this, I stop, and I will show you the frequency, how it can be increased and decreased. See, now I will decrease the frequency. This is at 9.5, now it will decrease. I am using the push button for increase and decreasing. You can see. See, it is decreasing 9.4. Now it will become 9.3, 9.2, and I will run the motor on this VFD on 9 Hertz. See this is 9.2. It will become 9.1. Now it will become. See this. I am pressing. Now I will run on Modbus. See. Now it is running. This is the light. This is the true Modbus communication between Delta PLC and Delta VFD. And I will show you it is running on jog mode. First I will stop. See this, I will stop it. It will stop. Now I will press the jog button. See this. Now it will start on jogging. See this is the jog mode, jog frequency, jogging mode. This is a true Modbus communication